Let's go back to those trigger laws. 13 states have so-called trigger laws in place that would immediately ban abortions once Roe v. Wade was overturned. Now, others guarantee the right to an abortion through laws or constitutional amendments. Here in Texas, the state already has a 6-week ban in effect and a trigger law in place to make abortion illegal. Let's get to our Malini Basu. Malini, you're in downtown Dallas, where protests is set to begin in about 30 minutes or so. And there's still people just wondering, what does this truly mean for Texas?
Yeah, you're right. And Cleo, as you were just saying, the protest is expected to start in just about 25 minutes or so. But before I get to that, when we were driving around through downtown Dallas, we did see police officers set up in certain areas. Obviously, the downtown federal courthouse is boarded up just in case. And we also saw crews from the Parks and Recs departments putting up some barricades. There are cameras set up. But here at the Main Street Garden, downtown Dallas, I just want to show you here. You can see there are tents set up. There are several folks who are already sitting on the benches here with signs in their hands, and they are ready for the protest itself. So what does all of this mean for people living in Texas? Now that Roe versus Wade has been overturned, that means women in Texas will not be allowed to have an abortion. They will have to travel out of state. So taking you back to last night, about 200 people were at the Dallas Women's March at Below Garden in downtown. Now, Governor Greg Abbott saying the U.S. Supreme Court correctly overturned Roe versus Wade and reinstated the right of states to protect innocent unborn children. Texas has also prioritized supporting women's health care and expectant mothers in need to give them the necessary resources so they can choose life for their child. While Texas Democrats say this is our worst fear that they've realized, the court has overturned that ruling, ending the federal constitutional protection of abortion rights and threatening the reproductive liberty of millions of Americans. No child or adult should be forced to carry a pregnancy to term against their will. I just want to take you back out here live. As you can see here, there are a few tents that are set up, people with signs in their hands, people carrying water bottles, hats. If you are coming out here, as Kyle was telling you all morning long, it is going to be extremely hot. And the organizer actually just stopped by just about 2 minutes ago saying that they initially thought they were going to have about 100 people here. They're expecting at least 300 people here, but that number again could increase as obviously it's a Saturday. A lot of people are off from work and they plan on heading here to the Main Street Garden. And we, of course, will also be out here all throughout the day and have another update for you today at 5 o'clock. For now, we are live in downtown Dallas. I'm Malini Basu.
Malini.